SERV stock analysis tomorrow and onward. This is Tuesday. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at SERV Robotics, we're sitting at approximately 1388 at the moment, and it's like 5% down for the day. I mean, there were like $2 trillion US wiped out of the market this day, or which was Monday. So, I mean, I'm not even surprised why this thing might be down 5%. But, like I said, the only case in which I would be bullish for is if there was like a double break, and we pull down, and then we have new ranges. This is the first. And if there is a second break above this high, okay, only then we're speaking now. Only then we're speaking. But I need to see, like, you know, this break towards the upside. If it doesn't happen, then I'm not going to be pulling this trigger up. And I'm very aggressive with the break even as well. So I'll definitely keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.